afternoon, this is Eva from Focus Machinery again. Today I'm going to introduce our fiber packing machine. Now let me start from this hopper type belt conveyor first. You can see a very large hopper on the conveyor. It's about 500 liters, and you can see this truck is to address the flow rate of the fiber. And then the next is the incline conveyor. You can see this collecting hopper here. The next step is the multi-hand conveyor. It's 10 hands 5 liters. This is the feed hopper, and this is the weighing hopper. This we call it the rotary cone. Okay, this is the vertical packing machine. Our packing machine is suitable for PE film or laminating film. Max film width it can use is up to 800 millimeters. The max spec width it can make is 390 millimeters. This is the best support. Is to support the bed so that it can seal well. The film will be a very smooth type. This is the HMI for your worker to set up the parameter for the packing machine, and we have 3 temperature controller. They are to adjust the temperature of the vertical seal jaws and the horizontal seal jaws. And these are the basic buttons for the packing machine: e-stop, the start, and the other buttons. Control box of the packing machine.